We should think about doing a time lapse of the sky.
Oh yeah.
That would be sick.
Pay attention, moron.
What grain on a 525, mag jam packed like pecan pie. Little wink while I wave goodbye, no sex, get laid in a suit and tie. Got links on the line like Cuban necklace, pump with a tube extended, send it, just one shot, get left with two big holes in the lumbar plexus. Two holes in the back, twin turbo rig, get spilt on the mat like Merlot. Pencil him in cause I can't get booked when I'm